trivia questions. Ready? 1. Who was the first man created according to the Bible?
Adam.
Yes, correct. 2. What is the first book of the New Testament?
Jenny. First book? John? Matthew.
Matthew. Next. Who was the mother of Jesus?
Mama Mary.
Mama Mary. Next. Which disciple famously denied Jesus 3 times?
Si Judas.
Peter. Next. How many plagues were inflicted upon Egypt before Pharaoh let the Israelites go? How many? Wala. 10. 10, correct. Who killed Goliath with a slingshot?
David.
What is the name of the sea that Moses parted? You. Hindi daw, ikaw. Red Sea. Okay. Who was known as the wisest man who ever lived? Solomon. What was the name of the boat Noah built to survive the flood? Noah's Ark. Who betrayed Jesus to the Roman authorities for 30 pieces of silver? Judas. Which Old Testament prophet was swallowed by a great fish? Jonah. Who was the first king of Israel? Who was the first king of Israel? Saul. How many days and nights did Jesus pass in the wilderness? 40. Who wrote the most of the Psalms in the Old Testament? David. What was the name of the tax collector whom Jesus called to be his disciple? Yun din yun eh. Matthew. Which couple were expelled from the Garden of Eden? Who interpreted the dreams of Pharaoh in Egypt? Joseph. What was the name of the city where Jesus was born?
Jerusalem. Bethlehem.
Nakabawi ka pa. Who was the first martyr of the Christian faith?
Si ano po? Deacon yung sinari. Kailan mo yan? Stephen?
Stephen? Yeah. Okay. What is the last book of